everybody, this is Nora with NA257, and today I have for you a couple of items from Ejiubas that I've got from Amazon, and I just had to show you guys. Check it out. I'm sure you've seen these around. So this is a set of the cuticle nipper and the cuticle pusher and scraper in the Chameleon chrome finish. Check them out. I absolutely love this finish. They are so cool. I really want to replace all my stainless steel tools with the new ones with this finish. Now I need a pair of tweezers in this finish. So the cuticle pusher, yeah, it works really well, and I will have a clip showing how I use this on my husband. So yeah, this was nice and sharp. It worked really good for pushing the cuticle, and then this end right here pretty sharp also for doing any scraping that you need around the cuticle as well. I like how it has these so it has this texture finish here. It's good for you know, helping you have a good grip of the tool. So that's really good, and it's a good size. And then the nippers right here, really good size too. I like the spring-loaded bars that it has here. Not too stiff, not too soft. They have good pressure right here, and I kept the cap. I like that I came with this plastic cap to keeping it safe. And there's those point blades right there, super sharp, very nice and neat. And you'll see on the clip how I use these on my husband, so I was able to safely cut around his cuticle. Very nice. But yes, I am super happy that I got these now. And of course I had to do my nails to match them. They were totally inspired. And these little owls is from Ejiubas EJB14, one of the recent plates that I review. And the other item that I have also from Amazon is this. This is not a nail related item or tool, but it's something that many of you ladies might be interested in because it's a painless facial hair remover. And I love the shape, I love the size. Check it out. It's got the Ejiubas logo right there. It opens up right here. It has a pretty cool rose gold finish. This is plastic, okay? It has a metal look, but it's really plastic. And what it does, guys, I will also have the clip on when I use this. I use this on my face, and if you notice in the clip, my face is red only from using my facial brush to wash my face. But yes, you turn the ring here, and this right here, it has, so inside, it has a little blade that it rotates, and it cuts the hair or shaves the hair. It doesn't yank the hair at all. It's not like one of those epilates. So it's very low profile, and it actually feels good. I was very impressed how well it works, and it left my face so nice and smooth, removing all that peach fuzz, which really makes it nicer for applying makeup. So that is it, guys. If you have any questions about any of these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video of my newest items from Ejiubas, and I hope you give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.